If you're looking to update your older kitchen cabinets or change the look of new cabinets, a quick and easy way is changing out the hardware or even make them more functional with cabinet accessories. Small changes can transform cabinets in no time at all. New hardware can make old cabinets look up to date or help with your home's decor. And if you don't know where to start, Super Home Surplus is here to help.
I really like the choice you've made for your cabinets for your new home.
Yeah, I think it's a good selection, right? Care to help me with some door hardware?
Yeah, if you're looking for some suggestions, I'm thinking maybe a matte black because that's making a big presence right now with hardware. Right, looks great. And then we've also got some things in glass that might look nice with it.
Super Home Surplus makes things easy, and they can help you with all the options. They can walk you through the range of in-stock and special order items, from honey bronze, matte black, brushed nickel, even glass. There's plenty of options to make the style your own.
Some folks are choosing to use all pulls, but if you really want to shake it up and do something a little bit different, you can always use a pull and a handle in combination on your cabinets.
Cabinet accessories can also add to the functionality of your kitchen. From in-cabinet waste to pull-out shelving, Super Home Surplus has some really great ideas.
So if you're looking for some clever ways to organize deep drawers, we always keep these peg organizers, which are really handy for multiple size items in the kitchen. And then when you think about your smaller utensils and cutlery, we have various sizes of organizers for your drawers that you can add to a new kitchen or even a pre-existing kitchen.
That's great. That'll look great in my remodel.
Super Home Surplus wants you to ask questions, so feel free to stop by the store or give them a call if you need anything.
Super Home Surplus, they have a store in Madison and in Bowling Green. You can stop by and check it out. Visit superhomesurplus.com for more information.